Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tay here. It's 2020, y'all, and I'm so excited. So I went grocery shopping because I gotta eat decently and exercise. And so I went to Costco, I went to Winco, and I went to Sprouts to pick up some groceries. I am doing the challenge with Moms and Money. Moms and Money? I believe that's what Gia's new channel is called. And so it's $100 per person per day, or it's only two of us. Sorry, $100 per person for the month for groceries. And there's only two of us, so that means $200. So everything that I purchased was about $150, which leaves me about $50 to do like weekly like produce, like fruits and fresh veggies. So I am going to show you guys what I picked up. Then I need to clean out my refrigerator because it is disgusting, and then put everything away. So if you are ready for some cleaning motivation and to know what I picked up from the stores, keep watching. All right, and last but by no means least is Sprouts. So I got avocados. There's 6 avocados. I'm gonna be making some guacamole and a nacho bar tomorrow. I picked up 2 mango ginger Zevia energy and 2 raspberry and lime Zevia energy drinks. 2 white onions. I love cooking with white onions. My son wanted these blueberries, so it's a big thing of blueberries. Now he's already grabbed a few out of. He also wanted some apples, so I think there's some Gala apples and some Fuji. I picked up 2 things of chicken breast, a lot of chicken breast. I think it's in total, this is 4.5 and that's 3.5. So it's about 8 pounds of chicken breast. So we should be good for the month. I picked up this flank steak because I just did. I picked up, this is, I think they're 1.5 each. So I think it is 1, 2, 3, what is that? 4.5 pounds of ground turkey. And then I picked up 2 packages of the Eggland's Best cage-free brown eggs because we like brown eggs around here. And that is all I picked up from Sprouts. All right, moving over. This is an impulse buy. This was not on my list, but I picked up these beef little smokies. And I'm gonna use this Sweet Baby Ray's and put those together and make magic because I love it. This was another impulse buy that I started eating on my way home. Sunflower kernels. I didn't eat lunch today, so I was hungry. So I figured this was better than something else. I picked up 5 limes. I picked up 2 of the Smucker's Concord Grape Jelly. My son uses this kind for his peanut butter jelly sandwiches. I picked up another thing of almond milk because we go through almond milk because he likes to have cereal on the weekend if we don't make waffles or pancakes or something. I picked up some crackers, club crackers. They did not have the regular. I didn't want the reduced fat. I wanted the regular, but they were out of them. So I just picked them up because I didn't want to make any more stops. I picked up the graham crackers because I'm going to be doing like a s'mores dip because I'm having people over tomorrow night for a pajama game night. There's 3 days a week my son has like before school activities, and so he doesn't eat breakfast at school, so he eats those at home. Picked up some jasmine rice. That'll definitely last us for the month. Maybe, I think. The Sweet Baby Ray's again. Some water chestnuts because I'm going to make a spinach dip, which is why I have this bread bowl. I just think that spinach dip in a bread bowl is just the cutest thing ever. Spinach, chopped spinach. I got some taco seasonings. I got a reduced sodium and a mild. I have never used these before, so this will be my first time. I usually use the one from Trader Joe's, but I was not going to go to Trader Joe's today to pick up one item, so we just went with the Winco one. And then my son picked up these Mike and Ike Mega Mix, and he busted them open as well while we were driving on our way home. So that is what we got from Winco. So I'm going to do it this way. Yes, I got some cleaning to do. But anywho, I picked up these mini tacos. They are on sale. I picked up this 24 count of shrimp cup noodles. My son asked for those. It's funny because he had his first cup noodles like a month ago, and so he's into them, and I told him that it's going to be very sporadic. I picked up these soft and chewy granola bars for his lunch. This was like the big ticket item in my Costco haul, my donut shop coffee. It was on sale for I think like $38, and it's 100 K-cups in there, so it'll last me for a couple months. But I thought to myself, oh, maybe because I only have $200, I won't get my coffee. And then I decided that, you know, somebody wasn't gonna make it if I didn't get my coffee, so we got the coffee. This turkey breast naturals is on sale. It is 3 11-ounce pouches, so I'm going to put one in the fridge and freeze the other two. I picked up these baby carrots for my son's lunch, and then I probably will snack on some as well. And then some spinach to cook with and to make some smoothies with. All right, guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and tidy up my freezer and then my refrigerator. I did not do a deep clean where I took out my little bucket and made soapy water and all of that good stuff. I just took my spray bottle and wiped it down because I was in a crunch for time and the groceries had already been out for the haul, so I wanted to get them put away as quickly as possible, but I definitely got the job done. And so I'm going to just play some music and let you guys enjoy the cleaning motivation, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Open up.